All right, boys, so a little bit different of a video today. I'm actually gonna be in the car, which if you watch my channel, I'm usually on the bike. But if you see this, my wrist is currently broken. But we're actually in the 2017 S550 series Mustang, and this is the V6. It's not the EcoBoost or the GT. I already know, go ahead and flame me up. V6, ew. But man, I love my car, y'all stop being mean. And this thing doesn't really have anything done to it besides the fact that it has a Borla Attack catback exhaust. And for a V6, it honestly sounds really good. Let's go ahead and start this baby up. But we're meeting up with my buddy Outlaw. He's gonna be on a Z900. My boy Brandon, which he's riding a 2020 something Fat Bob from Harley. It's a sick bike, but it's got a 131 kit that he just put in it, so that thing absolutely rips. Then one of our coworkers, Greg, is gonna be on his Triumph 1050 Speed Triple, so I got a lot to keep up with. And we're actually going to hit the mountains, so it ain't like we're just riding in a straight line, because I'd get cooked in a straight line. And I'm not a huge car guy, and I don't claim to be, but if you car guys agree with me, let me know. I think the V6 Mustang honestly has more top-end pull than like the EcoBoost. But I think this thing's gonna do really good in the corners. I haven't even had this car very long, a couple months. So I'm pretty excited to see what's up. But I see the Z900. We're meeting right here at the old Starbucks. So I'm gonna go pull in beside him. Man, if you're gonna have a big truck, you gotta at least be able to pull into a regular parking spot without backing up to do it again. And they tires bald. Don't mind me doing everything left-handed, by the way. I've only been in this thing for 2 weeks. There's the old Z900. Let me show this thing to y'all real quick. This is my boy Outlaw's 2026 Z900. He hasn't really done like a lot to it. I think he has it tuned to his like mid-pipe exhaust. It's a Leo Vents, but he hasn't had this thing super long. I mean, it's sharp. It's gonna be hard to keep up in the mountains with these boys. I'm gonna tell you that right now. The old Fat Bob. Yeah, start that thing up. Let them hear that thing. Brandon's like, oh, somebody wants to hear it? Absolutely.
He said say less.
Oh, he loves this thing. He just smiles.
Oh, I bet it sounds disgusting.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, so we got 2 of the 3 guys here. Well, I don't know where he is. Where did old Greg go? Did he get thirsty?
He may have went inside the marathon.
Yeah, probably. Let's get it.
All right.
All right. So now we are in here, baby. Safety first. I hope my thing's actually on. Let's make sure. All right, we got the 1055 up there. He got here a little late. That's a 131, which y'all seen that in some little, I was kind of just walking around type of deal. The only problem is I can't really eat into these curves and stuff because I'm one-handed, but it's okay. We're gonna have fun. We about to find out how fast this V6 is, baby. But nah, we're on mountains at like 35 is recommended. I mean, I think the speed limit's like 50 or something. But yeah, I think like 35 is recommended. So all in all, I should be able to hang pretty decent with these guys. It feels so weird just not being on a bike though, when I'm used to just riding bikes. But I do want to get into the car scene more. So I'm hoping this is like, I'm hoping this kind of gets me into cars even more. This Mustang is actually like my first ever, like, I guess, quote unquote, fun car. I know it's the V6, it's only 300 horsepower, but so we're gonna stop, get gas, and then it's gonna be mainly just straight pure sound as far as like when we get on the mountains. Appreciate it. Okay, now they're gonna start cutting up. Now, Outlaw, the guy in the back on the Z900, he is fairly new to riding. This is his first season, so I'm definitely going to give him plenty of room. I wish I had stiffer suspension on the Mustang, though. That's one thing. That's the only downfall of the V6. Obviously, it's not as fast in a straight line, too. And by the way, just because he's new at riding, he's not a bad rider. So it's still going to be, it's going to be something to keep up with these boys. What the heck is that? Don't be the guy that's crossing over the yellow line if you're out here riding like this, by the way. The crazy thing is, you feel like you're going so fast in a car too. But I mean, the speed limit's still like 50 through here. But the 55 actually. But the curves make it where 55 and 60 is like rare to hit. He's going downhill. So downhill is always a little scarier for the newer riders. I got so much stuff sliding around in my back seat. It's just papers, but I just don't want. Oh, he'll kill me in the straights. I don't even really got to go to sport where it's so freaking curvy. I'd have better throttle response, but I'd have better pedal response, but that's about it. This is fun though. First time riding a car like this, I'm having a blast actually. Luckily I got brand new tires and everything, so this is a lot less sketchy. Seeing that gravel, like big patches like that, even in the car, I'm like, oh boys, hold on. So we're in the actual town, so I'm gonna let the camera charge. I'm gonna see y'all like when we get to the restaurant or whatever. Hey guys.
Hi. Can I put my helmet in your front seat?
Sure.
Fantastic.
Must say it was pretty nice and chilly in the car.
I bet. Yeah, no, anytime we came to like a stop sign, I was like, we have to start moving.
You putting your stuff in here too? Please. Here, y'all can throw it all in the trunk if you want. Rebel was freaking delicious. One of the best restaurants I've ate at in a while. They just got all their gear out of my trunk, so I'm gonna ride up here to them. Safety first. That one-handed life gets old, man. It's had a little flippity flip. Hey!
My name's Steph, and I love to party.
From here is probably going to be just like a pure sound ride type of deal, just for the simple fact that I don't think it's like as curvy, fun roads. So we're just going to end this video with some pure sound. I do want to say I really appreciate any of y'all that actually decided to stop and watch this vid. And if you want to see more car stuff, I mean, I'd love to rip around in this little Mustang as much as possible. because this is my daily as well. So I love this car. It's very versatile for what it is, and like for what I paid for it, it's hard to beat getting a quote unquote sports car. I know 300 horsepower is not crazy, especially compared to the bikes I've owned. Look at Outlaw being a rookie and not cutting his right blinker off. All right, let's catch up. See how it goes. I'm gonna try to stay solid lines, not hit over the yellow. The only thing I worry about is rocks in the road.